again. It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shy Money in the building, and we are back with another video.
And we are back with another video, man. Back with another hanging video, man. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. You know what I'm saying? We're going up.
Hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I post a video. Okay, guys, we're going to be doing the cheap versus expensive food challenge. We are very excited for this challenge, y'all. We have a piece of paper underneath these bowls, and we're going to do the to see who go first. So, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. He already told y'all to subscribe, so make sure y'all subscribe to the channel so you can see more and fun videos that we produce for y'all. So, yeah, let's get this video started.
You chat too much, you know? You chat too much. Look at that man ready for start the video. Them ready for start the video. It's still they are chat. You chat too much. Alright, guys, let's go into the video.
You chat too much.
Alright.
Round one. Fight!
Okay, rock and shoot. Rock and shoot. Ah! I go first. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Okay, your turn.
We're done. We're done.
Okay, ready?
Done. Yeah, man. We're done.
Alright, guys, we're about to unveil. 1,
Guys,
2, 3.
before we do this, look what you did to this damn paper. Oh, you said 1 to 3, huh?
Yes, baby.
Oh,
golly, it messed it up.
Why she ball it up?
So it won't stick to the table.
I got
cheap. I don't know if y'all can see that. I got cheap.
Expensive. So, alright, guys, we're back with some delicious. Also, underneath this. Let me get a drum roll, please.
Which one do you think will taste better? Okay, guys, so I have the McDonald's brand strawberry banana smoothie, and Babe has the Boathouse strawberry smoothie brand.
This, I already know what this one tastes. I always drink this one.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know what this tastes, but I always drink this one.
To be honest, I don't think I've ever gotten a smoothie from McDonald's before.
Me either.
So we're about to see how it tastes.
We finna go keto.
And I tried that brand before. It's some of them that I don't really like. I think
This?
it was a purple one. I think it was a purple, or maybe it was a Naked brand. I don't know.
The Naked? Oh, they talking about Smoothie Naked. Oh, okay.
What y'all talking about?
Hmm?
What y'all talking about, Free?
What?
Nothing.
Oh.
This is honestly not that bad, y'all.
That's good. That's good as always. Okay, what you try about which one I think is better? Yeah, I know, man. This is why it makes me so long. Cause she gotta examine everything. That thing gotta go through all her throat, her belly, come back up to her belly, her throat before she can give a go. This is gonna fly up in her brain.
I think I like that one better. I like the cheap brand better, y'all. The only thing I don't like about this, I can actually taste like the strawberry beads. But I mean, that's normal.
I'm gonna stick with mine, man. I'm gonna stick with my expensive.
I'm sticking with my cheap, okay? Because this one is bomb.
Expensive. Yeah, I know you never let down, boy. I know it. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with my expensive.
Okay, guys, we're back round 2.
Fight!
They told me to do it.
They didn't tell you nothing.
They told me to do it.
They didn't tell you shit.
They told me to do it. They told me to do it.
Well, they told me to knock your ass
That's my
out,
little
too.
girls. Look,
What little girl?
just come in. She told me to do it.
Bro, finish.
All right.
Make me again. I'm gonna knock you out. I'm not playing with you.
Close the eye then.
My eyes are closed.
Go ahead.
Close your eyes. Don't be scared. They told me to do it. Close your eyes. You cheated.
I was scared, bro.
Look at you. You cheated. Alright, come on. Keep playing with me. 1, 2, 3. Really, babe? Why you take my container for? What guy?
Bro, I got expensive again, bro.
I got cheap again.
Oh my god, I got expensive again.
Bro, give me something expensive.
Bro,
Alright, guys, we are back. We're about to show y'all what cheap and expensive item we have. So, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Pop-Tarts.
That's the which one? Walmart brand?
This is the Walmart brand, the Greater Value Walmart brand, y'all.
And this is the company brand, you know?
The Pop-Tart brand.
Yeah, Pop. Oh yeah. Oh, you said Pop-Tart, didn't it?
Yes, babe.
Oh, so We're gonna bleep it
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
The Pop-Tart brand, you know, the Pop-Tart. Pop-Tart? How you say it? Pop-Tarts?
Pop-Tarts.
Pop-Tarts?
Pop-Tarts.
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 Okay, Pop-Tarts.
So guys, I have the Greater Value Frosted Strawberry Toaster Pastries. That's what the Greater Value brand is called, Toaster Pastries. And Babe has the Pop-Tarts Frosted Brown Sugar Cinnamon. I'm so glad I did not get that one.
What's wrong with cinnamon?
I mean, to be honest, growing up, I've never tried the brown sugar cinnamon brand, flavor. I've always had strawberry or the wild one, the wild berry or the blueberry, something like that.
What?
The Pop-Tarts.
Alright, we're gonna try this, cause shit.
Y'all, he ain't never had no Pop-Tarts in his life.
Yes, I do.
No, you haven't.
How you gonna tell me what I had?
Because you didn't even know that brand was Pop-Tarts.
I know it's Pop-Tart, I said Pop-Tart on it.
But you didn't know the brand was Pop-Tarts.
I know, cause I said Pop-Tart on it.
But you asked me, oh, this Pop-Tart ain't it?
Yeah, I said it. This Pop-Tart.
Then you said, oh, this the brand
I was drinking
name.
the juice, so I actually said it for
Nah,
me.
whatever. He was like, y'all, this the brand name Pop-Tarts. Duh.
She tripping on the cinnamon. Cinnamon, this shit go hard.
Mm-mm.
They go hard, bro.
I'm good. I'm not a big fan of cinnamon like that. Okay, drop it.
No, I think cinnamon body.
Oh, wait, let me show you how it looks. Should I show y'all how it looks? I'm pretty sure y'all know.
I'm pretty sure they know what it looks like.
Shut up. Because this one ain't got that much frosting on it. I like mine.
Okay, you take it from the bottom. What do you expect?
This is not the bottom.
That's at the top?
Yeah, it's a top. It's a top.
Leave.
If you open the pack all the way, I spit on you.
What? That came out of nowhere. What?
I said I spit on you by accident. Man, you didn't drop it on the floor.
Oh, you know that?
Because I seen it fell on the table.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh my God. You picked it up from the table.
I do like this, fool.
It's alright. Man, get my shit back.
Oh.
It's not bad, y'all. It's okay. It don't taste that much different. To me, it really don't, because I've tried Pop-Tart brand and I've tried Greater Value. It don't taste that much difference to me. Alright, guys, we are back.
3. Fight!
Round number 3, right? 3?
Yes.
Okay.
Bump it one more time and see it. Yeah, I'll be able to say treat.
Okay, guys, come on. I'm going to spin this
Josh, I'm
time.
in front of my accent.
It's so funny. It was another word you said. It wasn't right.
Comfortable?
I'm going to figure it out. Close your eyes. Alright, your turn.
What up here?
1, 2, 3. Damn.
Oh, yeah, expensive.
Expensive.
That's what I folded. They got cheap really post time. Cheap. Alright, guys, we're back with round 3, right?
Round 3.
Underneath this thing, we got some animals on here. No,
Some
I ain't got
animals. Okay, we're about to unveil our item that we have underneath both. Okay. I got a big mug.
Oh, I got a little Mac. That's a little Mac.
No, babe, that's not what it's
What it's
called.
called?
Babe, what is that? Tell me what that is. Yo.
Oh, it's a cheeseburger?
He got a. Let me see how it looks.
Bro, it's a mini me, bro. It's a cheeseburger, right? I can't even open this crap.
Y'all, he got a sandwich with a meat patty and cheese on it.
Bro, they glued this thing together.
I got a Big Mac, y'all.
Why your brother look like that? You got the
Sesame seeds.
no sesame seed. Why?
That's what this is, sesame seeds.
Careful. You got the
What the
one
hell?
from Burger King.
Wait, babe.
Yeah, but so yeah,
What's
that's
wrong with sesame seeds?
seeds.
What's wrong?
Seeds. Seeds. Listen to the word seed. Seed. Listen to the word. You said sesame seed.
That's what the hell it's called.
Listen to the word seed. Seed. Succeed. Seed.
A salt seed. Bro, you is so dramatic. Oh my gosh. Alright, it's time to eat.
So it's cheap, right?
Yep, that's cheap.
This looks like some hard brand shit.
That look like it's cheap. That look like a struggle bill right there.
What, eat your burger, bro?
y'all tried a Big Mac before? I'm pretty sure y'all have. You want to try it? Y'all look at this.
Yo, stop this up my burger in the morning. If I eat something,
It's nothing. I'll pass.
it's good.
Nah. Alright guys, next round. Alright guys, we are back for round
Fight.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Like it, hey. Spring.
What is my turn to see?
Spring.
Y'all, he's so aggressive.
What we get?
I got it.
Tip!
I got expensive.
Alright guys, we're back. It's not what you want, it's what you get, so take it.
I didn't want this one.
You know, business. You have it, so take it. Shut up.
What is these words you be making up?
What word?
Me no business. What the fuck is a me no? What does that mean? What's a me no business?
You just say it.
Y'all, he be saying stuff so backwards. He said soon forward, like soon forward. I soon come back. Soon come back or something. What? Nigga, just say I'll be back. Golly, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I have Smart Food sweet and salty kettle corn.
I got kettle corn, sweet and salty kettle corn by the Great Value Walmart brand. You know what I'm saying? It's right here.
Really?
Y'all welcome.
Okay. Thank you. Babe, don't eat like that.
Oh, for consume them. Me I don't want female. Me told me you want to consume the food, eh? You?
No, because I don't know what you're saying.
Me not a female. Eat all me you want to eat. You can't tell me how to eat, because I not tell you how to eat, alright? Because all you do is fold your legs, and it's you.
Somebody please, down in the comments, translate what he just said. But I don't know.
How's your popcorn, by the way?
I like it. Wait, let me see one of your popcorns. Not that one.
I see a popcorn, I'm going to tell you something there. You're going to say not that one.
Okay, guys, I can tell the cheap and expensive. I don't know if y'all can see that. But my popcorn is way bigger than his popcorn.
No point. I was the last challenge of this game, or I said last challenge. But that's the last run of this challenge, right? But alright guys, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys like and subscribe. You guys new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, guys. Please subscribe, because we're going up, man. I know we're going up pretty. That's weird. We're going up slowly but surely, but
nothing can stop us.
I'm all the way up.
I'm all the way up.
Yeah. Hey guys, if you guys like it, man, go ahead and subscribe, man. Comment down below what video you want to see, man. You know what I'm saying? But this video already a long time. I'm going to this video right now. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.
Peace.
Okay.